Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to check link in bio on Instagram. So we will show you a short tricks in this tutorial. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. So first you have to go to your profile by clicking on your profile, and now you see the link in your profile bio. So when you click on it, it will move you toward the link website that is our channel. So we have request to subscribe it. So now we will show you how you will add this. Click on the edit profile. So scroll down and you see the option link. Click on it. Now click on the add external link, and you see the option URL. Paste your URL of your website here and then click on the tick mark, so it will save on your profile bio. Once you hold this link, so it will show you both of the link you added. This video is informative for you. Please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.